assembling the zone. So we are assembling zone 3. We have our B blocks done. We already did some assembly for our B blocks, so that whole section is already assembled. And then we have our hollyhock block and our zinnia block, and then our stepping stones. So I'm going to go ahead and if you look here in zone 3 for assembling, you need to assemble this first and then assemble your zinnia. So these two pieces will get sewed on first. They're the 1.5 by 18. And then this will get sewed onto this whole section. And this is 2.5 by 10. So I'll go ahead and sew that together. And I'm going to sew my stepping stones, or sew these two, and then sew my stepping stones onto that. And then I can sew these two sections together. Okay, so the magic of video is I did some sewing. I sewed my pieces onto my zinnia block, so that is complete. And I sewed these two blocks together. And now I need to sew my stepping stones onto this whole unit. I will pin, I'll probably do, a few pins to make sure that, that doesn't stretch as I sew. So anytime you have those long pieces to sew together, it's a good idea to pin and make sure that everything stays true to size. So we'll do that, and then we will be done with zone 3. All right, zone 3 is complete. You have your B blocks, your hollyhock block, your zinnia block, and your stepping stones, and then a few setting pieces to bring it all together. So I hope you have fun making your blocks for zone 3, or you maybe already have, but zone 3, happy sewing.